Hey everyone, I just want to quickly show you this 3-set pure titanium cutting board. I love that we have large, medium, and small. Look how thin that is. This is titanium, really nice. And what's so nice about titanium is it's not going to transfer any bacteria, any like whatever that's in your meat. So I have bag for usually fruits and vegetables, and then my meat would be the medium, and then everything else miscellaneous like herbs and stuff like that will be the small. And what's so great about this particular cutting board is that if I'm cutting meat in this, like your typical cutting board will transfer the bacteria, all that nasty stuff, especially from chicken, and this will not allow that to happen. This you can just clean, and it doesn't absorb any juices. It's also one of the strongest metal out there. It's not gonna corrode, it's not gonna rust. Really, really solid surface for chopping, for cutting anything that you would like to chop.